guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a very easy makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. I have already applied my moisturizer and now I'm going to be starting with the foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 320 Natural Tan and taking one pump of it on the back of my hand, and using this brush I'm going to be just dotting it all over my face. For an everyday basis, I like a very natural finish. I don't like to use a full coverage foundation. So I'm just going to dot it all over and start blending this out. Using the Lakme 95 Primer Matte Powder Foundation, and using the same brush I'm going to dust it under my eyes and all over my face. This is in the shade Honeydew. I don't like to use a concealer on an everyday basis because this compact also gives me a decent amount of coverage. Just dragging it down my neck and all over my face. Now using the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 02 Grey Brown, I'm going to start by outlining my eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, I like to go with a very light hand and make it look as natural as possible. So I'm just filling in the gaps and I'm going to just draw an outline and then go ahead and fill it in. Don't apply too much pressure while filling in your eyebrow because you don't want it to look very unnatural. Using the other side of the eyebrow pencil, I'm just going to comb out my eyebrow and make sure that it stays in place. Repeating the same process on the other side. Now I'm using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in the shade 06 and I'm going to be using this warm brown shade. Using this eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to pick up a little bit of the product and place it on my crease, going in again with a very light hand and making sure I blend it out really well. Now this is the actual representation of the colors in the palette. Using the same shade, I'm going to be applying it to my lower lash line. So just make sure you apply it to the outer half of the lower lash line and blend it out really well again. Now using the same compact, I'm going to pick up some product and place it on the center of my eyelids. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade 50 Wine. Just going ahead and applying it to the apples of my cheek and making sure that I drag it back into my cheekbones. I like to apply it on my nose as well, just a tiny bit. And now I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. And using the contouring shade, I'm going to be using this brush to apply my contour. I'm just going to place it on my cheekbones and make sure that I drag it back into the hairline and upwards. Now just to give some dimension to my face, I'm going to be applying it on my forehead. And applying it to the other side of my face as well. I'll also go ahead and apply a little bit on the jawline just to give it some definition and make sure that I again blend it out really well. Now using the same shade, I'm going to pick it up on my little finger and go ahead and contour my nose off camera. Now instead of an eyeliner, I'm going to use this darkest brown shade to draw a wing. And as you can see, I did my mascara and lipstick off camera. I used the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara to give it a first coat. You can completely skip this mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I use it for a second coat. I usually like to go with 2 coats with 2 different mascaras, and applying it to my lower lashes as well. Now I use this Nykaa Matte+Poreless lipstick in the shade Chai. This is a very nude brown lipstick and I absolutely love this. This is the complete look. It's a very easy everyday look, and I usually don't go for a highlighter on an everyday basis because the blush already has some sheen to it. And that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you the next time.